Hello, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to show you around this lovely 2015 65 plate Discovery SDV6 HSE. Now, we actually had the pleasure of supplying this vehicle to the previous keeper back in 2018, so we know the car very well. We've maintained it since then. The car itself is in very nice order throughout and comes with some nice factory extras as well. So the car itself is finished in the stunning and highly desirable Corris grey metallic paintwork. Obviously, looking around it, we've got our LED daytime running lights, we've got lower fog lamps, front and rear parking sensors, reversing camera, and then we're riding on these upgrade 20-inch 5 twin-spoke alloy wheels. Obviously diamond turned with the gloss black detailing in the centres. We've got the side steps on this one as well. Obviously, we've got both sunroofs, one for the front, one for the rear. That one slides all the way back. We've got privacy glass to the rear as well. Coming through to the back then, we've got the full towing package. So we've got the tow bar there, rear parking sensors, reversing cameras found just there. Obviously, clamshell tailgate. So opens up in two separate parts. These Discoveries are a 7-seater, so I've got one seat up and one seat down, just so you can get a full appreciation of the boot space with the seats up or down. As you can tell, with them down, the luggage space stretches all the way back, lots of storage, and it's quite high. And then obviously with the seats up, you've still got quite a bit of storage. You can still definitely get some shopping in there. And in the back, you've got 12-volt power outlets, storage cubbies, and those seats in the rear, I'd say, have never been used. Looking through to the interior then, it's a full ebony black leather, which is a lovely soft leather. Obviously, 3 seat belts in the middle there. You've got Isofix in the bottom for your child seats. You've got heated seats for the rear passengers to the left and to the right. You've got rear vents, so you get the full benefit of the climate control and air conditioning. Looking at the backs of the front seats, they've not been kicked and scratched. And personally, one of my favourite things on this car, you've got this lovely light walnut sort of veneer all throughout the car. I think it looks absolutely fantastic. Obviously, we've got keyless entry as well. So that lovely light wood follows through onto the door cards, on the dashboard, down the centre console. It looks superb. So specification wise, this is the HSE, so we've got park folding mirrors, 4 electric windows, 3-way memory sport seats for the driver. So that basically means you can be driver 1, your partner can be driver 2, press of a button and that will fully adjust the steering wheel, the seat and the mirrors to exactly the way that you want it. We've got the Meridian surround sound system as well. Looking at the driver's seat, that's in nice order, so obviously this is where you tend to pick up most of your work. Those bolsters are in fantastic order, the seat base is in superb order. You've got individual armrests, which again, superb order. So we'll just jump inside now and I'll show you through to some of the other features in this car. So, once you're inside, you're greeted with this lovely leather multifunction steering wheel, lovely grey detailing on there. On here, you can control most things. So you've got your Bluetooth phone, you've got your voice command, you've got the flappy paddles if you wanted to drive the car manually. You've got all the buttons for the display up ahead, so we'll just zoom in there. You've got warnings, trip computer, vehicle display, and then obviously, as we're doing the video here today, this car has only covered 78,809 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these Discoveries. We've got automatic wipers, automatic lights are found just down there. Coming through then to the centre display, we've got the nice big touch screen on this one, so clicking through to radio, it's a DAB, so you've got all the extended channels. You've got My Music, which basically means your aux, and you've also got the Bluetooth connectivity. And then you've got My Video, which allows you to put a CD in. Obviously, you've got DVD and CD on this vehicle. Clicking back through, Obviously Bluetooth phone, as I mentioned before, full satellite navigation, very responsive, very easy to use. You've got your reversing camera, 4x4 information, so flicking the car into reverse, the guidance lines show up straight away, so when you turn the wheel, the camera shows where you'll end up going. Center clock, all the shortcut buttons for the display. Heated front seats, dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. Obviously full drive select. These vehicles are some of the best driving cars on the roads thanks to the fantastic air suspension. So obviously you can jack the suspension up, you can lower it down. Ideal if you're looking to drive through sort of country roads every day, but a very nice drive to this car. Reverse neutral drive, you've got the sport mode as well, electric parking brake, central cup holders, central armrest. Within there you've got a divider and then quite a bit of storage. Added storage just there, you've got your aux and USB, and then down here you'll find the book pack with all the documentation which was supplied with the car from new. But a nice car, doesn't smell like it's ever been smoked in, doesn't smell like it's ever had any sort of pets, definitely never had any hard use. You can tell the interior is definitely in very nice order. Same goes for the bodywork outside. But a lovely car, and I remember when we first got it in 2018, it definitely didn't stick around, as this is a superb spec car. So if you'd like anything further on the vehicle, if you'd like some finance quotes, if you'd like a personalised video, more images, please do get in touch. On sales there's myself, Dominic, there's also my colleagues Graham and Lee, so any one of us would be happy to help you. But thank you very much for watching the video, and we look forward to your inquiry.